Yeah, I like my mornings really quiet and chilled. Emphasis on coffee and a good read. No technology, phone that is. I like to just sit there, read a book. Sometimes I do this whilst lying down. But today is Eid and nothing has changed. I am reading a book in my sweats and I'm ultimately happy about it, taking that first sip of coffee. Oh my god. Nothing compares to that joy of the first sip. Oh my god. Hi everybody, Eid Mubarak. I just woke up and after a little bit of skincare, but not so much because I did my skincare last night, heavy mask, so I didn't want to add too much. So I just used this very light face wash. I'm going to use toner, dark charcoal, cotton pads to put a little bit of toner. As you can see, there's some remnant of water that washed my face. I like it better like so. Let's just clean every angle. So how have you guys been? I have been looking forward to it because of the coffee. Like taking coffee in the morning, there's nothing better than taking coffee whenever you want. I'm gonna miss Ramadan obviously, but I'm very excited about coffee. Okay, before the tune, I'm going to put on this light moisturizer. So after doing this, because I do not enjoy stress, I'm going to go ahead and meditate. I meditate in the morning. I don't work out in the morning. I do that at night. So after I'm done meditating, I like to say 3 things that I'm grateful for, irrespective of the day I'm having. It's a ritual that I've been doing for quite some time, and I definitely implore that you do that. I usually focus on mindfulness meditation more in the morning than guided meditation. So now that all that is done, I'm just going to pass this to our beautiful chef to show you how it's done. You ready? All right. Okay, it's coming.
Oh, hello. So we all look like this a day before Eid. It's currently the night before Eid, and I'm trying to make something for Eid, which is tomorrow. I'm going to share with you a very simple recipe that you'll be able to make a day before Eid, so you can just freeze it and then you can fry it the next day. So come along with me and I'll show you that.
Thanks, girl. That looked so good. But I'm gonna be here to show you how to do a quick base. First thing we're gonna use is this foundation. It's super lightweight. It's almost like water. See what I mean? This year, Eid is very different to most years. Some countries have lifted their lockdown, a lot of countries haven't. And at the end of the day, like we all just know right now, it's just safer to stay at home. It's really important to hold on to every last bit of normality. And for me, that is making sure my skin is looking flawless, that I get my Eid outfit on and take that Eid picture. So you just blend it right into the skin, and as you can see, like it just looks like a second skin. Now I'm gonna go in with a bit of highlight and contouring. So it's basically gonna look something like this. And then we're going to just go in with a small brush and we're going to just blend it away. And just make sure you use a product that blends easily, because more time Eid selfieing, less time makeuping. If we manage to do the whole Ramadan, we can do it for one more day in Eid. But I still think it's really important to make it like a community day. So FaceTime your family and friends. Use social media for what it is, to socialize with those that are not directly in front of you. And honestly guys, like this Eid is going to be lit. It's going to go down in history. we're going to just use a little bit of translucent powder just to set it, because you want to make sure the makeup stays the whole day. Just make sure it goes right in. If your skin is slightly oilier, then you can put a bit more on and just leave it like that until you go to put the bronzer on, which is the next step. And guys, I cannot wait to scroll through Instagram and see all your Eid pictures, so don't let me down. So I know it looks a little crazy right now, but we are about to eliminate the craziness. Bronzer, and this is gonna bring back the melanin. With a little bit of highlighter because we want to glow. Ooh. The final part, and this is to get rid of any remnants of powder that might still be on your face after putting all the baking on. Just spray it with a little bit of a hydrating spray. So guys, this is the look, this is the skin. Now my girl Z is going to show us how to do a beautiful eye look. So I got my eyeshadow brush, I got my eyeshadow palette. Z, are you ready for us?
Thanks, boo. I am going to be taking you guys through the eyes. The first thing I love to do is to use an eyeshadow base that is really good, and I love this one from P. Louise base. Next I start deciding what kind of eyeshadow colors to use. This looks orange on camera. I'm going to work with these two colors. I remember saying I was going neutral. So you need a clean brush to make everything look seamless. You can either use powder. My lashes today is from Yaku Lashes and it's called Baby Girl. I love this lashes. Like so. Now I'm going to be doing my under eyes, and basically what I'm going to be doing is just apply mascara and layer it because I really do not have under eyelashes. So how are you guys celebrating Eid this quarantine? Honestly, it's just going to be a day at home for me. I think any other person. Oh, and another thing, I feel like tailors are going to really have a nice Eid this time around because every year tailors get caught on not delivering Eid outfits. We're done with the eyes now. Now I'm going to be passing the scarf to the style guru. Guys, she has over 150 scarf tutorials and she's going to be putting us through with easy Eid scarf that you can actually do in your houses. So Aisha, take this.
Thanks, Z. Okay guys, so your skin is prepped, your belly is full, your base is looking flawless, and Z has just shown you how to get the perfect Eid eye look. So now it's my turn to show you how to get the perfect Eid turban look. Okay, so all you're going to need is a big scarf. This is folded in half, and then you are going to need a volumizing scrunchie or some sort of volume. So I'm going to put the scrunchie on top of my head like so, and then take my scarf from the back to the front. You want the two sides to be the same length, okay, and then you're simply going to cross the two sides over. Like so, and then twist the two sides like this, cross them around the back, twist some more, and then tuck one side in, and tuck the other side in. Like that, and ta-da! Okay guys, so I am super excited for Eid and I'm sure you are too. This year of course it's going to be a bit different. We have to pray Eid at home and what have you, but you know what, it's going to be amazing. Enjoy it, spend it with your loved ones, and I'm going to pass you over to Fatima now. Are you ready? Okay.
Thanks, Aisha. Hi guys, so guys, now that we're done with our skincare, cooking, makeup and turban, I would like to show you guys how you should slay your outfit this Eid. Guys, I know we're staying at home and it's not nice, like this is not something that we're used to, especially how we are just all you know, ready to just glam up and go out, but then we don't have that opportunity this time around. So guys, do not forget the sunnah. Make sure you wear your best outfit. Guys, you have to also smell good, because this is Eid. We have to look our best and also smell our best. Accessorize, because I feel like, is your outfit really together if you don't accessorize? Guys, I grew up all my life, I have always anticipated Eid. I think that has to be one of the highlights of my childhood, just counting down and being happy and wearing my Salah clothes all the time, you know, before Eid. So I was not about to let this Eid go without looking good. No. Accessories will bring your outfit together. I am among the lucky people that were able to get my tailor to bring my clothes before the whole serious lockdown started around this end. Anyway guys, it's not easy to be an arewa girl and have Eid without your atamfa. So if you're lucky like me and you got to have your atamfa, then that's a good thing. The arewa in me cannot allow myself to not match my outfit with a veil. So now guys, for the final look. Okay ladies, so this is how I am stepping out this Eid. Stepping out to where? To Instagram.
Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak,
guys.
Eid Mubarak.